welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about some amazing sandwiches, and I will tell you everything about these sandwiches from the packaging to the price, and I will also tell you how you can order these sandwiches. You don't have to go out of your house, you just have to place the order and you will get these sandwiches at your doorstep. So to know more about these sandwiches, all you have to do is keep watching my video till the end, and I will catch you guys on the other side of this video. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as I said at the beginning of the video, today I will be talking about some amazing sandwiches. So without further ado, let's quickly get into the video, and first let me tell you the name of the place that sells these amazing sandwiches. These sandwiches are from Food Peddler. So first let me start by showing you the sandwiches. These are all triple layer sandwiches, and the first one is 7 veggie sandwich. The second one is egg mayo. Then I have got Bombay masala. Then I have got tandoori paneer. Then I have got chocolate, triple layer chocolate. Then I have got chicken mayo. Yes, these are all the sandwiches that I have got with me today. So some are veg, some are non-veg. And you can see the size yourself. Just look at the size of the sandwiches. They can actually replace your meal, and they can be had as a full meal. And now let me give you a closer look at the size so you can be the judge of it. And I really love the packaging. It has a cardboard box. See, the packaging is really sweet. Over here at one side you have got all the the name of the sandwich written, and the ingredients that they use, and description of the sandwich, nutrition value, the weight, net, MRP, everything is written out here. And at the other side you have got the menu of the other sandwiches. Like if you order 7 veggie sandwiches, over here you have got the other flavors of sandwiches that are available. This is written out here. So first let me quickly open the packaging and show you the sandwich. So once you open the cardboard box, you get to see the sandwich, and it is wrapped in a cling film for protection or better hygiene. And you can see the size yourself. It is a triple layer sandwich stuffed with yummy veggies. So if you have this, you can replace your meal, or this sandwich can replace your meal. So this is really amazing. And now let me tell you the price of this yummy 7 veggie triple layer sandwich. This costs 109 rupees only, and their price range is really good. It starts from 89 rupees and goes all the way up to 129. So it is quite pocket friendly, and these sandwiches will fill your tummy, believe me. And if you want, you can get them grilled as well. You have got the option for that, and from there you can order them. You just have to go on Swiggy and find Food Peddler, and you can order your sandwiches from there. They also have they are also available on Zomato, and they also have a Insta page, or rather you can say an Insta account. And if you want, you can just go and directly place your order from there. As you can see, this is the Insta account. Over here you have message, contact, and beside contact is order food. Press the order food. They will just directly take you to the Swiggy's page. From there you can place your order. I would love to thank Food Peddler for sending me these sandwiches, or rather delivering the sandwiches on time. They did maintain their hygiene, and they did a great job of delivering these amazing sandwiches to me on time. And I will be posting about these amazing sandwiches on my feed pretty soon. So make sure to follow me on Instagram by the name Solvik Studio. I will be also posting about these amazing sandwiches on, yes, you got it right, on my Facebook page. So make sure to like my Facebook page by the name Solvik Studio. And still then, keep cooking with your soul, and I will meet you guys on my next video. Ta-da!